just a quick video. A12 Discharger. So I think everybody should have one of these if you do speed runs. You know, to get home, your battery's not fully discharged. You know, you need a discharger. So I think this is a good one to have. So I'm gonna try it. Unbox it. Came in a little what is it? Where I even get it from? Amazon paper thing, and this how it was. But got a little manual, I guess. Tell you how to do it in English, and on this side in Chinese. Tell you how to work. A little manual. I was using my brother-in-law's discharger before, but he needed it, so I grabbed this one. But this how it come in this little plastic thing. Hey, looks kind of nice. Got a screen, balance port right there. This was the XT60. Yep. So since my batteries don't have that, that's what I got these for, so I can solder up, you know, the female to go in there with the wires to a male, so I can discharge my batteries. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be soldering this up. I probably ain't gonna film all that, but that's what I'm about to do. All right, and I got my little connector. I hooked it up, hooked up the battery. It don't work. It don't even cut on at all. So I have my little balance thing plugged up, everything. I didn't check through with 2 or 3 batteries. I didn't check my connection with my multimeter, make sure I got continuity and, you know, how much whatever it is. I checked it. Everything been checked. You know, and it don't cut on. So it showed a little quick cut on and shut right off, and ain't came back on since. So I'm gonna send it back to Amazon and give me a new one. And the video, well, start from there. All right, back to the A12 Discharger. I sent my other one back to Amazon because it didn't work. It didn't even cut on, and then they sent me this new one. That's how I got it set up. I plugged a little balance board to it so I can, you know, monitor. I had to make an adapter from a XT60, you know, to the QRS8, you know, to do my batteries. So let's cut it on. I guess you can see that. The screen could be a little brighter, but that's the best we got. It's 4 cells. You know, then I guess you just hit the discharge button, and it starts to discharge. And the fan will cut on once it, you know, get a little hot. It should discharge to around 4.81 to 4.85, all 4 cells. If any of the cells are blinking, you know, that means you have a bad cell in your battery. And that's the reason why I like this discharger. Because when any of them start blinking, it means you have a bad cell. I'm not sure how long it's going to take, so I'll come back once it's all done. We'll see how long it takes. It's going to give me the time right there, the milliamps to take out. It's discharging at 7 amps. You know, so I'll come back once it's all done, and we'll see how long it takes to actually discharge this battery. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. It's done charging. It took 20 minutes and 6 seconds. It's down. They down 4 cells down to 3.81. All cells except for one are down to 3.80. I think this discharger is good. I like it. It shuts off on its own if you don't shut off. You just seen it. It just shut off by itself. Once it's done, it makes a couple beeps, and then the fans keep running until, I guess, until it cools down. Once it cools down, after about 30 seconds, if you ain't did nothing, it automatically cuts itself off. So that's a good feature right there, you know. But my overall opinion, I like the discharger. You know, nice and weight. It's cool, and You know, you do speed runs, if you ain't draining out your battery all the way, it's a good discharger to invest in. It's good for, you know, discharging your batteries because you don't want to leave them charged for a while. But thanks everybody for watching. This video is about the A2 discharger. I got mine from Amazon, so the first one I got didn't cut on. This one works perfectly fine. So if you're interested, get you one of these dischargers. You know, it's important for your battery health. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.